Hi, Chris Reid Realtor here out of Pensacola, Florida. Today I'm taking a tour of a luxury townhome in downtown Pensacola. It is a community known as Port Royal, and it literally sits right in the middle of downtown. It is a gated community that was developed in 1984, and it's a culmination of some single-family homes, some residential attached townhomes, and also some condos. So today we're taking a look at a luxury property. It's listed for $2,650,000. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3 full baths, 1 half. And it is a waterfront property. It's a corner unit. It was 2 units that was combined into 1 and fully renovated. So it's really a special place, and I'm looking forward to showing it to you. So let's take a look. As you enter the custom black door with beveled glass and shiny brass fixtures, the stage is really set. It really does have a grand entry with the high polished travertine floors, the metal railings, custom lighting, very high ceilings, coffered ceilings, and views wide open onto Pensacola Bay. Directly in front of us is the bay. To our left or east would be the Marina, where you can keep a boat, and it's a full-service marina. As we come into the foyer, there is a media room to the right. Complete with wet bar. This secondary foyer or landing is to the left. Will go up the stairs to the primary bedroom and 2 additional bedrooms. To the right is a half bath, which I'll give you a little look into while we're here, just so I don't miss it as we're doing our walkthrough. As you come into the main living area, you see a rounded staircase with metal rail. Elegant, yet coastal and comfortable with the travertine floors. Large sliding glass doors. It is a triple glass door which would open onto the terrace overlooking the marina. A private terrace that wraps around to the Pensacola Bay side as well. The details are lovely. Remember that. There will be a little surprise for you when we finish the tour on the top level. So from the main living area, which I think you'd be spending most of your time, you have a real chef's kitchen. Quartz countertops with a lovely bronze thread. The vein is really pretty, and it matches the brushed gold poles. Your double sink overlooks the bay, and under counter lighting, of course, the gas range, pull-out drawer microwave, 2-tone cabinets, and an amply sized pantry. Off of the kitchen, there's a doorway that leads down into the garage. It's one of the doorways that leads to the garage. Here's a compass rose pointing the direction we're facing. Dining room, again with coffered ceiling, crystal light fixture, which is just sparkling. Some detailed lighting around the coves, and then double doors, French doors, leading out onto another patio area. You have a grassy area beyond that, and open to Pensacola Bay. Now, on a clear day, you would see Pensacola Beach out that way. That would be the beach road heading out towards Fort Pickens. You could also see the Blue Angels do their practice runs. You would see boats coming and going as they, come in and out of the Marina. Next door, we also have the ball stadium where we have the Blue Wahoos team out of. And every last home game, when they're in town, they set fireworks off of at the stadium. Now, it looks like it's farther away than it truly is. This is wide angle, and so it really does have a feeling of being farther away. The reality is it's much more like this in person. I'll take us for a little walk around the patio while we're here. Decks are all Trex or a composite. I'm not sure what the material is, but it is a synthetic composite decking. If you have a pet, there's a staircase that runs down the side for ease of getting into the grassy yard. So we'll pick up where we left off, heading back into the dining room. There is a wine storage here, wine cooler with custom doors. There's a secondary kitchen that would be great for entertaining, mixing cocktails, serving the dining room when you're entertaining with another Sub-Zero refrigerator in here. Same quartz countertop and travertine floors. This way leads into the garage, and we'll make a quick stop down this way before we go to see the bedrooms. This door leads to the driveway. It's another entry. You've got a 2-car garage on this side. There is laundry here, but there is also laundry upstairs. That is storage utility spaces behind those doors. Looks like whole house filtration system. Now this door also leads out to the side, open air. So you've got the 2 garage doors here, workbench storage, and then you have access to the outside from the right side or the east side, and then also a 3rd garage. Now this was, if you recall my mentioning that the place was originally a 2-unit property. Thus you have now a 3-car garage. So the bottom floor is utilitarian with garage space. As we go up this way, there is a bath here, full bath with a beautiful black, not sure if that's a granite or a marble. I believe it's a granite. Quartz counters are mimicked. You can see just no detail has been spared. All of the walls have just different custom moldings, beautiful baseboards, Just beautifully trimmed out as one would expect in a luxury property such as this. This would be a guest bedroom, complete with its own balcony. And as we make our way back to the east side of the building, you'll see this is the laundry. And we ended up right where we started when we first entered. To give you bearing, staircase as we came in off the foyer. Continuous travertine. And this is a really lovely primary suite. Coffered ceilings, French doors with view and their own balcony over Pensacola Bay. If we're lucky, we might catch a little sunset. And a dream closet. So you've got a full-length mirror here, which helps with dressing. Look at the beautiful built-ins, chandelier, no wasted space. And all of the built-ins. Shoe rack. So that's the second bedroom. Primary bedroom on this floor. Oops, almost went the wrong way. And the bathroom. The light in here is just exquisite. Perfectly painted in this coastal white. If you recall, in the living room, when you looked up to the second floor, there was a stack of windows. And this is just an exquisite marble shower with skylights, or, it's kind of done like a sunroom with blinds. So you've got privacy with your marble wall here, but you've got blinds open with glass, looking up this, 2/3 of the wall on the exterior, and then above you. Beautiful, smaller square tiles with little details. Just lovely. Additional storage. And also here, marble walls, or marble accents on the walls with the travertine. And then on to two more bedrooms with a shared bath. Travertine floors are continued. With their own balcony. The white walls with the black doors are a really nice touch. Another bedroom of equal size. Now, I did not turn the lights on in here. This is all natural light, and it is an overcast day, so you can get a feel for what the natural light would be like. Everything is consistent. Doors, hardware, quality of fixtures. Detailed tile in the shower. Jetted tub. ceiling is tiled. One thing I had suggested you pay attention to when we first entered the property from the foyer down below was this balcony and this teak detail, which reminds me of an old ship. As you go up the spiral staircase, wood stairs and beautiful wood metal railing, you see the teak, checkered teak that you can actually see through to below. And here you have like a widow's walk. It reminds me of the old captain's mansions. I have a feeling that that was the intent when this was designed. Anyway, just one last little bit. Next time we'll have to catch the sunset. And I thought you might like that.
I like most about Port Royal is that it's 4 acres of property gated right in the middle of downtown Pensacola. You have the security of a gated community. You've got plenty of land to have some elbow room. You've got gorgeous waterfront, Marina access where you can keep your boat, and you can literally walk out your door and enjoy all things downtown Pensacola. So it's within walking distance to all of the restaurants, the shops, entertainment. We have the Sanger Theater downtown. I just saw the symphony there on Saturday. It was amazing. We are in the middle of doing a beautification project on our city streets, and which is going to widen the sidewalks, provide shade, and we're really building for the future with our beautiful downtown Pensacola. The Port Royal also has a community pool, a workout facility, and as I mentioned, it is a gated community. So it really offers the best of all worlds. You have a beautiful neighborhood setting, but you're in downtown Pensacola, and you can really have a feeling of being safe, protected, and then also enjoying all of what downtown Pensacola has to offer. So I just wanted to share that bit with you, and I hope that you enjoyed this tour. And please feel free to give me a call if there's anything I can do for you. Happy to answer any questions or to provide you with a personal tour of your own. As always, keep up with me on Facebook at Chris Reid Realtor, and also my new YouTube channel, Chris Reid Real Estate Pensacola. I am doing regular videos, all things Pensacola, lifestyle, Pensacola Beach, waterfront, luxury, you name it, I'll be covering it on the YouTube channel. Please subscribe and watch, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care, have a great day. Until next time. Thank you, Amber Green and Ashley Keegley, for sharing your listing with us.